14th of April 2021, the volunteers of Taman Daun community in Lembata have visited the victims of flash floods. The sad expression radiated on their faces, the victims of flash floods. At the beginning of the fasting ceremony could not be hidden by them. The Ile Ape-Lembata victims, especially Mama Jaleha, a middle-aged woman who lives in one of the small huts in Duliwoho Garden from Wildlife Village. Most of them have indeed lost their homes. Belongings and relatives. During the disaster that hit Ile Ape and East Ile Ape on April 4th, the refugees who were in Duliwoho Garden could not hold back their tears. When they were visited by the volunteers of Taman Daun community. In refuge huts which were far away from the main road. And also from the evacuation posts provided by the government. Of course, they were sad, but Mama Jaleha's family never complained. If last year they were in their homes at the beginning of their fast, now they have to fast in this month of Ramadan in refuge huts with the makeshift of sahur. Even they can't sleep properly because they have to sleep on a mat on the ground. Without blankets, they have to share space with their children, grandchildren, and nephews. Even so, Mama Jaleha is still grateful. To be able to start the fast of this month of Ramadan with her family and relatives. Even though they have to makeshift the sahur and grief cannot disappear from her memory. But the meaning of fasting is more pronounced because their patience is being tested.